So we are now done in Namsan Tower. So papunta na kami sa Garo Sohil to do some shopping and to do some checking of other things that we can buy cheaper here than the Philippines. For us to navigate to South Korea perfectly, nag-download kami ng application called Roam to Rio. This is like a navigation application available in iOS App Store. Ituturo nito exactly kung ano ang mga sasakyan nyo or options nyo to navigate from one point to another. Super helpful ito para sa mga first time magta-travel sa isang country. Hindi po namin to sponsor but this is really helpful. So, you can download it. The first store na pinuntahan namin is the Casetify Studio. Normally in the Philippines, in-order lang ito online. So when we saw that the store is available here, we didn't hesitate na pumasok. Medyo pricey lang ang mga case ng cellphone sa Casetify, but very quality naman, especially for the Apple users like me. Ang next store na binisita namin is the Jordan store in Garo Sohil. In Korea, higit na mura ang presyo ng mga sapatos, especially this Jordan shoes compared to the Philippines. Roughly thousands din ang difference in terms of price compared sa Pinas. Aside from the price, as a tourist, may privilege ka rin na to refund the taxes. Sa sobrang sulit na sulit, hindi ko nasasabihin kung ilang shoes ang binili namin sa Korea. And of course, hindi namin pinalagpas daanan ng reason bakit kami nag-Garo Sohil, and that is the Ordinary Store. Walang store ng The Ordinary sa Pilipinas, and in-order lang ito online. The price of The Ordinary sa Korea ay hindi ordinary kasi napakamura. Kaya kung magagawi ka sa Korea, wag na wag mong palalagpasing bumili sa store na to ng mga skincare mo super effective gaya ng niacinamide, moisturizer, glycolic acid at iba pa. After naming mamili, ginutom na nga kami kaya nagmerienda muna kami sa train station. Napakamura at quality ng mga merienda dito, talagang matatakam ka with their tteokbokki and fish cakes.
Magpa-ferry ba tayo?
Di ba ito yung Han River?
Yeah, I just thought we were going to Han River.
Yes, market.
Ba't mag-ferry? Mag-ferry or pupunta lang sa ferry?
Okay, we're going to... Babagin yung kanta ko na lang. Para tumigil na kayo. Ako na mag-a-adjust. Since may mga issue kayo.
For that ride.
So one of the itinerary namin is to go to Han River Night Market. Unfortunately, when we got there, walang market. What we saw is a mini stop in a ferry boat. But guess what? This is one of the best night we had in South Korea since we experienced things that local Korean students and other people are doing during the winter. That is to eat noodle and drink beer near Han River at 1 degree weather. Super cool, para kaming nasa Korea novela. Sobrang sarap itry with friends and mga tropa natin sa Pilipinas. Opa.
70 million itong chicken.
70 na yung chicken. Di mang ha?
Limit pala siya.
After namin kumain ng noodles and magpaka-Korean feels, nag-decide na kaming bumalik sa hotel since napakalamig sa labas. Sobrang sulit ng araw na ito for us since marami kaming nagawa and hanggang hating gabi ay nasa labas kami ng Seoul during this winter temperature. So sa lahat ng pupunta sa Seoul during this type of weather, sulitin nyo lang because sa Pilipinas we will never feel the same temperature ever.
Go locks until the time's up.